Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, especially about the 2023 presidential election that was held in Nigeria on February 25, 2023, and the result controversially announced on March 1st, 2023. And that result was challenged at the Presidential Election Petition Court, which gave its verdict on September 6, 2023. And the major petitioners, Peter Obi of the Labour Party and Atiku Abubakar of the People's Democratic Party, not satisfied, headed to the Supreme Court. Now, the petition of Peter Obi and Atiku Abubakar is in the Supreme Court. And most Nigerians had expected that at least it will take a while before the Supreme Court give its verdict. Now, there are breaking news that the Supreme Court is going to deliver its judgment tomorrow, which is October 26th. Many Nigerians were taken aback by this breaking news. But my interpretation of this breaking news is that this development has given credence to the allegation by American anti-corruption crusader Mr. Aaron Greenspan, who filed a motion at a court in Washington D.C. to compel the Federal Bureau of Investigation, the State Department, the Central Intelligence Agency, and all the rest to release the dossier they have on Nigerian president, so that it could be of use to the Nigerian court that is looking into the allegation of forgery that Atiku Abubakar laid against Bola Ahmed Tinubu, that he submitted forged academic document or forged certificate from Chicago State University that he submitted to the INEC. Now, while the government of the day, the Tinubu administration, had pretended that they are not aware of it, of that appeal in US, they eventually filed an intervention to stop the FBI, the CIA, and others from releasing the document as Greenspan requested, because Greenspan was saying that if this thing is not done on time, if they don't release this on time, it will not be of value, especially in Nigeria, where it is needed in deciding the case at the Supreme Court. And he was saying, and Greenspan also alleged that they are trying to rush the verdict in Nigeria to be able to deliver it before the FBI can release any document. And that is why he wanted the court to give the permission for the FBI to fast forward his request. Unfortunately, Greenspan's request was turned down by the judge in the United States. And now, the FBI already has set the date of 30th of October to release the documents on Bola Ahmed Tinubu. And it appears that the president and his minders, having discovered, allegedly, that they are not going to be able to stop the FBI, the CIA, the State Department, and all the rest from releasing the dossier they have on Bola Ahmed Tinubu. The Supreme Court of Nigeria, it appears, had fast-forwarded their process so that they can be able to deliver their judgment. So that is what is happening right now. So we keep our fingers crossed to see how it pans out. Thank you very much. God bless you.